tried that once. I could get a wheelie, but I almost can get a death too. I didn't quite miss it, but it made me think, well, maybe I should have.
Oh. That's really loud back here.
No, I figure that's enough. I don't want to blow it up before I sell it. It's for sale, $750. I ain't blown it up yet, so it's still worth something. You want to shut the light off in there? I'm going to play some more Nintendo.